Manufacturing process and location, consideration for bamboo charcoal business. Manufacturing sequence. The manufacturing sequence has 3 basic steps. Preheat and feed. Preheat the reactor and feed into your processed bamboo into your reactor. Carbonization. Conduct carbonization at high temperatures in a low oxygen environment for the bamboo to convert to charcoal. Discharge and collection. You can collect the charcoals and be sure to review the wood tar and vinegar recognition. Consideration for plant location. With the plant location, it is very important. You would want to consider being close to the source of bamboo, the skills of the labor force, and access to transport networks. You would also like to make sure that you have an approved environmental regulatory regime and incentives if you are operating a sustainable operation.